For operating garage doors safely, it is important to keep them maintained. So, if you ever heard any kind of unexpected noise while opening or closing the door, try to consult your nearby garage door company immediately. Being well-versed in the garage door issues and their solution, only they can help you to make your garage door secure. In Reston, Adams Garage Doors LLC is a dependable local garage door company. They have over 40 years of combined experience in garage door installation and repairing service. They perform any service using upgraded equipment for keeping the doors safe and functioning. Planning to contact them to make sure of the condition of your garage door? Browse adamsgaragedoorslllc.com and have the details first. You can easily reach them by dialing 703-623-6766 and maintain your garage door in a professional way.